What up guys, Chris with Life After 50. In this video I'm talking about plank exercises. It is tough. I've been trying it for about 2 weeks and it is, well, I'm gonna say it again, it's tough. That means it's good for you, okay? It's good for your core, it's good for your muscles, it's uninvasive on your joints, it's good for endurance, it's good for fat loss, it's good for a few other things, so watch the video and learn, all right?
Planking exercises, unlocking the fountain of youth. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we have an exciting topic that's sure to benefit all the mature men out there. We'll be diving into the world of planking exercises and exploring how they can become the key to unlocking the fountain of youth. So if you're ready to feel stronger, more flexible, and regain your vitality, keep watching. Let's start by understanding what planking is all about. Planking is a fantastic isometric exercise that targets your core muscles, including your abs, lower back, hips, and shoulders. But its benefits go way beyond just the core. For many older men, poor posture can lead to back pain and discomfort. Planking can be a game changer. By engaging the muscles that support your spine and shoulders, planks help you maintain a strong, upright posture. Number 1. Standard plank. Start in a push-up position with your forearms resting on the ground. Keep your body in a straight line from head to heels, engaging your core muscles. Hold this position for as long as you can while maintaining proper form. Number 2. Side plank. Lie on your side with your legs straight and stack your feet on top of each other. Prop yourself up on your bottom forearm, elbow directly below your shoulder. Lift your hips off the ground, creating a straight line from head to heels. Hold for the desired time, then switch sides. Number 3. Reverse plank. Sit on the ground with your legs extended in front of you and your hands placed behind you, fingers pointing toward your feet. Lift your hips off the ground, creating a straight line from head to heels. Engage your core and hold the position for as long as you can. Number 4. Incline plank. Find a sturdy elevated surface, such as a bench or step. Place your hands on the surface, slightly wider than shoulder width apart. Step your feet back and find a comfortable angle for your body, creating a plank position. Engage your core and hold the position, focusing on maintaining proper alignment. Hold for as long as comfortable and progress gradually. Number 5. Knee plank. Start on your hands and knees. Lower your forearms to the ground, elbows under your shoulders. Slide your knees back a bit, extending your legs at a slight angle. Engage your core and hold the position, maintaining a straight line from head to knees. Hold for as long as comfortable and work on increasing the duration.
Life After 50. Health and Lifestyle.